Hello! Welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. But before I show you the product, what it is about, testing it, tutorial, reviewing it, as the title says, I just want to go into the nitty gritty for stuff first, which is if you like the product, the advice, the video, anything in this video, then give it a massive thumbs up, because I do mostly appreciate it, because it tells me that you like the video, you like what I'm showing you, you want more, other people will like it, other people see it and the video will go around. So definitely remember to give it a massive thumbs up. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12. It's absolutely free to sign up to YouTube. Go on my main page of tazwells12. There is a subscribe button at the top, which you will click, and that will subscribe you to the YouTube channel and the Love family. And also there is a bell notification, which if you click this will tell you when I've uploaded a new video, and you can see it there and then, or when notified when you want to see it. There is a button on the bottom which is a share button, so if you feel like your friends or family want to see this video or give the video to anyone, you can share it down below. Also, what you can do down below is comment on the video, which if you liked anything in the video, or you like to give me feedback or suggest something, let me know down below, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I have or do or will mention. This is just out of my own money, an advice video for you guys, just a product I picked up, no sponsor at all. Check out my 2 accounts on social media of Instagram, which is tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. That is everything now. So now we'll get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this little concealer pot. This actually came from, it was either Poundland or it was Home Bargains. I know that I've definitely got W7 products out of both of them, and I know it was out of one of them. When it's a concealer, I definitely go for it, and it's a concealer I haven't used. This intrigued me because this is the W7 Hideout full coverage concealer. There is 9 ml in here. There's no shade on the bottle, I've just looked, but it does say on the back that the W7 Hideout is a matte, a lightweight concealer that gives you full coverage when needed and hides imperfections all day long. Apply as required. Shake well before use. This hasn't even been opened because I wanted to literally test, tutorial and review it with you guys. So I do try and keep some of the products, even though I've bought them a while ago, I try and keep them sealed as much as possible because I literally want it as brand new as possible. It's all sealed, it's got all its packaging. I got the lightest sort of natural coloured concealer as what I could find. I don't want it too orange, I don't want it too pale, but I wanted a bit of colour in there, but not really light. That is the colour we've kind of gone for. I'm going to pin my hair up, and then we can get into this, and basically we can do any places on my face that I would normally put concealer, and I want to see how this works. I am all fresh faced, so basically I cleaned my face really quickly with some micellar water just to get any dry skin off or any residue makeup that I might have had on my face. Pure clean face. Normally I would put like a primer on before I put concealer on, or sometimes I just put the concealer on. This time I really want to see how it works, so I've literally left it to bare skin that I just cleaned. I have got a few spots that I kind of do want to try this on, and a few patches that I do normally put my concealer on. So let's get this open. I hope it's quite full coverage, because it'd be quite good to put like under sometimes like a light foundation if possible. It really intrigued me when I saw it, and I think it wasn't that much money. It was like literally like £1, so I thought, you know what, it's worth trying out. And W7 products I've had before and I quite like them. So it's all open now, all open. Give it a good shake like it says. I'm thinking thinking it's going to have a pump, but oh, it has. That's cool, isn't it? It's like a little pump. It's very cute. Normally what I do with my concealer is just put it on with the doe fur and then rub it in with this brush. So this brush is a 120 circular concealer brush. This is from Primark. There's normally 2 that come in a pack, which is this one, which we could use as well, because this is a precision concealer brush, which is 1, 2, 1. So these come in a pack, Primark, and they're really, really nice. I've got like a rubber like handle, and the brushes are really nice and they clean up really nice. I've got so many of these, but if anything, this is more my concealer brush, and that's what I do normally go for. But because this has got a pump, and this is the other one that comes with it, I might just put it on here and then we can just rub it in here. So we'll do one side of my face and do all the imperfections, but I normally put the concealer on and then normally go like over it, so the concealer's been on your face. So I want to see if it dries really quickly, or it's really buildable, or you can work with it really easy. I'm going to use the like triangular brush to get some of this out. Right, quite a bit to come out. I'm going to like distribute this all over the side of my face with this brush. So anywhere I've got like a spot or a blemish, we will put a little bit. I normally do my eyebrows here, here. I normally do a little bit there. There's quite some horrible bits on my face, so we do that. I normally do under the nose, and then just distribute any like product got anywhere. Normally I try and cover up like red areas as well. That's all of it off that brush now. So as that's sort of like drying as processing, we're gonna rub it in with this brush, because this is the one I normally use. So we'll go like from the top and just literally just blend it in, give it a good rub. I hope I'm showing you this quite properly, because I'm trying to look in the mirror that obviously you can see in view. It's blending really well actually, and it's been on my face probably a couple of seconds, but normally sometimes concealers will sort of dry down quite quick. So we're just going over anything that I think looks a little bit red, or could do with like a little bit of concealer. Right, so that blended it in like pretty much like a dream. I can't see no streakiness. It's literally gone on natural skin. So let's have a look at the difference. It's definitely took the redness out of my face, as you can see, because that's sometimes why I use concealer over this bit, just to take the redness out. So you can see that. I haven't really put it under my eyes. I could put it under my eyes. Let's do that, because that would be another place I would use concealer sometimes if I felt like I hadn't had the greatest time. But the only thing is, because it's a pump, so much product comes out, but we'll use that in a moment, so that's not too bad. I'm just, when it's under the eye, kind of just stipple it in and then kind of like stroke. So that's under the eye now, which I think it's done really well actually, because you can see, I know you can see the lines and stuff like that. It comes up with a full coverage, so it took like any bags away, and it made my under eye bright, but you can obviously see there's no discoloration like the other side. So that's actually really good, really nice. It's worked really nice under there. Don't know what it'd be like if you set it. I suppose we could do that as well. I'll go over with like a translucent powder over it. But apart from that, it's done really well. You can see the difference in my face. You can see the colour, the redness, the spots and everything on this side. And then this side looks pretty clear. I could use this concealer pretty much if I didn't want to put foundation on, but I just wanted to take that little redness out or make my under eye a little bit nice. I think it's a nice concealer so far. What we do is the other side. So I'm going to do the other side on a time lapse, and then we can have a look at it all together, and then I might give a little bit of powder under here and stuff. Both sides of the face is done, which I'm really impressed with this. Why I'm really impressed with it is because it feels so lightweight, like the description of it, and literally, but it makes you do feel like a full coverage concealer on. It's lovely. It's actually worked really well. Only thing I don't like about it at the moment is it's very cute that it's got a little pump bottle. Because it's got that pump bottle, it's very messy. Like literally it comes up with like a massive pump. So it's a good job I did use this, because like you saw, I distributed it with this brush and then just blended it in with this. But yes, it's a very nice concealer. I definitely got the right shade. Like it's made me like a little bit thin, but I can like brighten my face up with some bronzer and stuff. So really lovely. So the last test that we'll probably do on this is probably a bit of powder. The powder I'm just going to use with it is this Fit Me Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless one. You can see that I've literally hit pan on this, and this is 90 translucent. I love this powder just to give you that bright under eye. But before I go in with that, I'm just gonna stipple the bottom because I don't want to crease in and then put a powder over. Do this one first, and then I've just got like a brush that I apply it with. I think this is Olivia Hell one that I actually got from Home Bargains, which are really nice brushes. I've got a few of these. Nice. Literally just go and then stipple the powder underneath. Sometimes I'll do it with like a light one and then maybe go over with like a more sort of natural coloured one for the rest of the face, and then just hit with the lighter translucent one like in the areas I kind of will sort of, we need that brightness. So like T-zone, my nose, my chin, maybe a little bit up here, depending how far I've come with the concealer. So my nose, and a little bit on my chin. So that's with the powder. You see a big difference again. Concealer worked really well, but with the powder, with the translucent powder, it's literally just set it in place. I know I've got bags and stuff like that, but that is just natural. I don't like that completely snatched look sometimes under my eyes. If I want to look like a normal person, this will be my normal makeup. Like as long as it looks bright under eye, I'm happy with that. If I was like going for a full coverage look, then yes, that would be totally different. I would want to get rid of this totally. It's so smooth with that powder on top of it. It's unbelievable. Like this has got a bit of friction, but then when you put the powder, very nice. We can now give it a review. My review for the Home Bargains / Poundland-W7 Hideout Full Coverage Concealer is a big thumbs up. It's a thumbs up. I love it. I love the colour. That was really good choice in my opinion. I love how it works with powder. The concealer went on lovely. It kind of gave me a nice coverage over my dark, like my red areas or dark areas under my eyes. It's hid my spots pretty well. Like it's very nice. It is very nice. I'm actually considering putting this in my makeup bag. The only downside of it was it is a little bit messy because of the pump, but because I've got like these two brushes, if I have these two brushes, then I'll be absolutely fine. But I could just put it on my finger and distribute like that, but I just feel that it worked a lot more better with that brush. But anyway, the product gets a massive thumbs up. This has unfortunately come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the W7 Hideout Full Coverage Concealer, which I give it a massive thumbs up for the price, the colour, the coverage. Yes, it's well worth it. I'm so glad I picked it up. Definitely will be one that's going in my makeup. Good old thumbs up. The video has come to the end, unfortunately, but I hope that you liked it. If you've liked anything in the video, then let me know by giving a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like. Other people see it, other people like it, so the video go around, so all good. So give it that thumbs up. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button too. Click the share button also to share with your friends and family. Comment down below on the video. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I have mentioned. It's just an advice video for you guys, so not a sponsor at all. Check out my 2 accounts on social media of Instagram, tazwells12, tazwells12home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. I hope that it's given you something out of it. Maybe you might find this in one of your stores and be like, actually, or you've already got it and you want to try it out, so this video's helped you. Thank you for watching and supporting. As always, it means the world to me. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.